Hey everyone, beautiful day in Los Angeles today. So much better than yesterday. Beautiful 75 degrees. Anytime that I get to wear sleeves is a good day, because normally I'm hot. But here at another fabulous outdoor shopping area, you can see, I'm going to give you a little panoramic. Yeah, this is called the Americana, and it's over in Glendale, California. And the same fabulous gentleman that owns the Grove, I've done a couple of Facebook Lives from the Grove, owns this one. And I love to check out all the shopping areas. I like to make the rounds. In fact, I just found a pair of shoes that are fabulous. In fact, here, Mom, can you get them out for me? I'm going to show them. So if you want a great pair of pumps and you don't want a really high heel, I just found them at Nordstrom's, but I'm not sure if they're at every Nordstrom's. So I'm going to show them to you. How cool is that? Not too high of a heel, and they're like a bronzy, metallic-y, so they're going to go very neutral. They'll work with black and brown, which I love. And they're very affordable. They're under $100. Isn't that amazing? And they've got that good heel and like a little pointed toe. So really loving those. All right, you're hearing now. That's what you're hearing. Scruffles, you want to say hello? Okay, she wanted to say hello. Yeah, there you go. There's Scruffles. Yeah, she was riding shotgun with me today. But anyway, so if, just because one store in your area may not have the shoes that you really like as far as heel heights, you gotta sometimes, travel and see other stores, because not all the stores are going to buy the same way. So I come over here to this particular Nordstrom's, which is kind of back over there, because they tend not to have the super high shoes. And then there's some Nordstrom's that have incredibly exotic, gorgeous high heels with bows and butterflies and feathers hanging off of them. So, you just have to kind of make the rounds. So I'm making the rounds so I could check out what's here for clients. Plus, what else would one want to do on a beautiful day, but then be in an outdoor shopping center? Yeah. I love having my own business, so that it allows me on a Monday to be strolling around with the puppy. Okay, everyone. I hope you all are having a wonderful day wherever you are. Good? Yes? Hopeful? And I will see you again real soon. So again, don't forget, travel around if you need to find that perfect item if you can't find it online and you really want to try it on too. So it's not all stores are created equal. All right, everyone, Lorianne Robinson, fashion consultant, health and wellness entrepreneur, signing off for Monday, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Alrighty, bye-bye.